Phuket's best hotel for children. Affordable luxury hotel. Very good for family with children. Has one of the best water parks in Thailand with free admission for hotel guests. Famous plane spotting beach is a big bonus. Good service. Highly recommended. 10. Totemo yasashi hitotachi jojoi minna yasashi desu totemo, kaitachi deshita. Perfect for family with kids. Amazing resort, definitely deserves its 5-star status. Super clean, friendly staff, great location, right on the beach. Good. Hotel stay was fantastic. My kids were over the moon with the hotel stay. It was one of the best resort for every age. Thanks. Thanks. My toddler's favorite one location is very close by the airport. Clean, spacious room, well kitchenware, good aircon, YouTube available TV. Stay 2 night at the 1-bedroom with kitchen. The best one we had fun is water park and beach. All buggy guys and receptions are well trained, very responsive and patience. Good breakfast for kid and adults, tile food, salad corner, soups, bread and juices, coffee. Beach is also great. If you want to see beach, sand, sky plus airport landing. We family had a very special time. If I have a chance another time, I am surely to come again. Extraordinary stay, nice staff, location was awesome, maybe a little challenge for Indian food but rest all were exceptional. Great resort. It was a lovely stay with amazing activities, restaurants. Vacation. I would like to thank all the exceptional staff, the people who serve us. I will back to the resort soonest as I recommend my friend the time her. Kindest stays at resort. I would like to review and add me comments with regards to the stay with you. I would thank all the staff and the exceptional people. Thanks to you and will come back in the future. Great location and services. The hotel located at near airport. Surrounding with good food, money exchange, fruit stall and itch. Great place. Stay near airport at beginning or end of trip to / from Phuket. We had 2 deluxe rooms in building 9 level 5. Lovely modern, clean rooms. View of water park. Breakfast and water park included. Water park kids love this. Was a great way to get out energy before the flight home. It was somewhat run down looking but all slides open and staff lovely and it felt safe. Facilities. Great pool by the beach with a really fun vibe. Beach crowded and dirty but beautiful sunset and could watch planes take off. Breakfast. Whilst quality of food was brilliant, the atmosphere was mayhem. Line up to get a seat and then so many PPL in buffet area waiting for pancakes / bacon / eggs etc. to be cooked. For such a big resort, crowd control at breakfast didn't seem adequate. Amazing water park resort. Awesome facilities and helpful hotel staff. Family-friendly water park resort with close proximity to the beach and local stores. Exceptional good place. Stay in Phuket. Exceptional good place for stay in Phuket. Thumbs up emoji. Wonderful place to relax with kids. Wonderful sunset and next to airport view. Fly airplane on the beach. Exceptional. Thank you so much for the amazing experience. Starstruck emoji. Best vacation. I have an amazing time with my family, enjoying everything at this amazing hotel resort.